Hello there, welcome back to another episode. In this one we're having another look at Apxt stock because of course we're sat on a bearish day today, not really by too much, but you know, we're going to be asking the question, is this good, is this bad, what does it mean, and does this mean that the stock is currently a buy at the price point based on the growth which we will expect to see before the merger. So of course, if this sounds like a good plan for a video, please do leave a like and subscribe. Let's check how many subscribers we are actually on right now. If we have a look over here, we can see it's about 2,520. Massive numbers to see. Thank you guys for that so much. Of course, if you wanted to become a channel member, you can do so by pressing the join button down below. It would be massively appreciated. And of course, if you do want to come and talk to us on Discord about stocks, link will be down in the description and it is absolutely free. We're not going to waste any more time, we're just going to look into Apxt stock based on the moves that we have been seeing, you know, based on today and so on, and of course then making our assumptions on how the stock has been moving. So of course, looking at this chart, we can see that over the 5-day, we have seen a lot of growth for this stock, and you guys will know that if you have been following the videos. If you haven't been following them, like I said, do make sure to subscribe because we look at this one every single night. But yeah, you can see that basically we've hit highs this week, which have taken us up about 15%. Now of course, we are still positive for the week, but now we are down 11%. Honestly, I don't think that's too bad of a thing at all. In fact, personally, I am happy to see this one. And the main reason for this is because of a personal reason, which is because, I'm not going to lie to you guys, personally, I want to buy this stock at the early part of January, but we're going to talk about that in another video. But yeah, so I am happy to see this because to me at least, I'm not saying what you guys should do because I am not a financial advisor, but to me it definitely does provide a new entry point. So of course, looking at this one at 15.43 or 15.40, you know, around that point, I do not think it is too bad of a buy even there. Now, I do think this one is going to go above $20, $25 before the merger does happen. I think it even has a lot of potential to go higher than that. That's my personal view. But when it comes to buy points, you know, there are two ways to look at this one. The first way is, of course, that you are just going to take a quick swing trade on this one. And honestly, I know a lot of people, especially on Discord, that do that. You know, they hold a stock for only a few months and take a big profit, and that really works for them. But then, of course, you've got the other type of people who hold for a long time. So, of course, my perspective for the short term is, you know, if you are getting in with a swing trade, I don't think $15 is a bad price at all, and I think, you know, you could probably make yourself a decent profit off that one. Now, of course, the other approach is if you are in this one for the long term, and even at that standpoint, I don't think $15 is too bad. Personally, I do believe, and like I said many times, I am not a financial advisor, but my personal approach and stance on this one is that the stock is going to be trading at more than $15 once it levels out after the merger. I do see a decent price point for this one. I'm happy with what the company does. Like I said in previous videos, if you look at companies like Snowflake, which are in a similar, you know, kind of market sector, they are doing very well. Their stocks are doing very well. Now, don't get me wrong, Snowflake was definitely a lot more hyped than this one is, but we are going to be seeing a lot more hype leading up to the merger, and I definitely think that, you know, if an institution does come and pick this one up, it'll be game on from there, and I think we'll see massive increases. So, of course, my overall message, and of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but my overall opinion, let's say, is that this is not a bad stock. For a quick swing trade, it's probably a decent one because, of course, a lot of these SPAC companies are generally speaking good to do that with because you can catch quite a small profit in a very small amount of time. So of course it can be convenient for people to do. Obviously long term, I don't think 15 is too bad at all. You know, looking at this from the previous price point of about $10, we are up about 50%. Yes, it is quite significant, but obviously I do believe there is a lot more room for growth in my personal opinion. So I hope you enjoyed the quick video. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.